Hello and welcome to school with Miss Bell and Mr. Loft. He's over in the corner doing some stuff, and we're trying to knock out as much as we can. Thank you, parents, students. We miss you so much. I hope you are still learning and working on a schedule that works for you and your family. Remember, all of the information that we're going to be giving you in the coming few days is a suggestion. We're just trying to keep your students engaged so that we can provide as much educational support to everyone that's home, and helping out as much as possible. So try not to get overwhelmed by all of the information that's coming at you. We feel the same way too. We're here today cleaning out our classrooms so that they can all be sprayed down. I'm going to go over just a few things for your students to log in to Scholastic News, which is a great resource. I know it's been recording my screen grab right now. I'm going to go ahead and go up to the top corner up here. You'll see it says scholasticnews.com. SN4 is what I want to log into. Now when I log in here, up in the corner there's going to be a login area, and I'm going to actually log out so that you can see what that's supposed to look like. So your login is going to be right here. So again, same thing, you're going to type in scholastic.com/SN4. It will redirect you to this page, but those are the directions I want you to use. You're going to log in, and then you're going to say, I am a student. From here, Mr. Loft and Miss Bell's class both say I-Hills-4 and sign in, and that allows you access into all of the Scholastic News resources. We can look at the current issue, or you can even go back to other issues. I'm going to go ahead, you can see this is the latest issue or all issues up here. We're going to click into the current issue. And I'm going to open that presentation. I'm going to do it in English. It is available in Spanish also. And then from here, it will read you aloud the passages. You can click through the pages. You can also do a full screen. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can highlight. This is a really, really awesome resource, but this is where you will go to read your Scholastic News for this week. Additional resources will be posted to our social studies teams. There will be some pages that you can either print out or some quizzes that you can take online. But definitely take some time to log in and check out Scholastic News this week. Stay strong, guys. I know you're frustrated, and but let's try to make this more than just an extra week of break. Happy reading!